So I'm going to ask you this question. Since how long have you been going to the gym? 1 महीना, 3 महीने, 6 महीने or longer than that? Are you actually noticing any difference in your body from the time you started? If your answer is not really, I want you to watch this video till the end because मैं वहाँ रह चुकी हूँ. Putting in so much of hard work, sweating, doing all the right things possible, sore for days and still not seeing the progress. And it wasn't because I was doing something wrong. It was because I was continuously and religiously doing these 5 mistakes over and over again that was killing my progress. और आज मैं आपके साथ वही 5 चीजें शेयर करने वाली हूँ and I promise you that at least 2 of these things will make you go like, oh God, that's literally. First one, and I did this for an embarrassingly long time, and that was changing my workout programs every single week. Let me paint the picture. Monday, you found a new split and it looks great. Your favorite fitness influencer swears by it and you do it for a week. And then on the weekend, you're scrolling again and you find a new glute focused program or a full body routine that someone says changed their entire life. So from next Monday, a new workout program. And then this cycle keeps going on and on. मैं genuinely सोचती थी that I'm being very smart because मैं हर program का best ले रही हूँ. I'm confusing my body and my body is going to grow more. But that is one of the biggest myths, by the way. Here's the reality. Your body doesn't grow from confusion and variation. It grows from repetition and progressive challenge. When you do the same movement consistently over and over every week, squats, hip thrusts, lat pull downs, your body learns the movement, your muscles adapt to it. And that's where you can add more weight, more reps, more intensity, and that's where you'll see the change. The fix is simple. All you need is patience and trust in yourself. Pick a program. Decide the split for the week, shortlist exercises, and repeat the same program from 8 to 12 weeks. Don't change the program based on आपने TikTok पे क्या देखा, अगले दिन आपने Instagram पे क्या देखा. Just follow the same program for long enough to actually see if it works or not. Second mistake, not tracking anything. I know what you're thinking, that tracking feels so obsessive. You don't want to be that person who's sitting in the gym with a notebook in the hand. मैं भी यही सोचती थी. Your body adapts to stress. जब आपने पहले जिम शुरू किया था और आप लाइट वेट्स उठाते थे, आपको वो भी हेवी लगते थे because your body was not used to it. Over time, your body adapted it. It got more efficient. तो वो वेट्स जो आपको पहले चैलेंज करते थे, now that's like a warm up for your body. Your body doesn't need to change anymore because you're not giving it a reason to do so. And that's what is called progressive overload. That means you need to consistently increase the challenge for your body. थोड़ा ज़्यादा weight, थोड़े ज़्यादा reps, थोड़ी ज़्यादा intensity, week by week, slowly. But you cannot do this if you don't know what you did last week. The simple fix, notes app on your phone. That's it. कोई fancy app नहीं चाहिए. Just write down what exercises you did, what weights, how many reps. 2 मिनट लगते हैं ये सब ट्रैक करने में. And that simple record on your phone will change the way you train because every week you have a challenge to beat. Now moving on to our third mistake, one of the biggest is that you guys haven't still subscribed to my channel. You guys are watching my videos, you guys are enjoying my videos, then what's the problem? Go subscribe to my channel. Now that you have subscribed to the channel, let's talk about the third mistake, ego lifting. Now before you tell me I don't ego lift, first you watch this and then you decide. Ego lifting is when you choose a weight that's too heavy for you to control, but you decide to use it anyways. So what happens? You start swinging using momentum, half reps. Your back is doing the work on a bicep curl. Your whole body is rocking on a lateral raise. The weight moves, technically, but your muscle barely involved. And I'll be honest, I have done this, not to impress anyone, but मुझे खुद को embarrassing लगता था कि मैं 2 किलो का डंबल उठा रही हूँ, let's go for 4 kg. But फिर मैंने सीखा कि आपके मसल्स को ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि डंबल के ऊपर क्या नंबर है. उनको ये फर्क पड़ता है कि how much longer have you kept your muscle under tension. The only thing it cares is being under load in a controlled way and also a full range of motion. A slow rep with a lighter weight will build more muscle rather than a heavy, sloppy rep where everything else is getting compensated. The fix is simple again. Check your ego at the door. Drop the weight. Slow down your reps. Feel the muscle actually working. 3 seconds down, pause, 1 second up. If you can't control it, it's too heavy, as simple as that. Fourth mistake, and this one is very common among women, doing too much cardio and not enough strength training. The truth is, strength training आपकी body recomposition करता है. That means आपके अंदर muscle mass ज़्यादा होता है, जिसको maintain करने के लिए आपकी body in general calories ज़्यादा burn करना शुरू कर देती है. But in cardio, there is no such thing. You will burn calories in the moment, but nothing afterwards. Whereas in strength training, Just restoring and maintaining your muscle mass can actually help your body to burn more calories, if that makes some sense to you guys. अगर आप कार्डियो अपने स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग के बाद कर रहे हो और बहुत ही लंबे टाइम के लिए कर रहे हो, यू आर एक्चुअली किलिंग द रिकवरी प्रोसेस ऑफ योर मसल ग्रोथ. पहले तो आपने स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग में अपने मसल्स को डैमेज किया और उसके बाद आप अपनी बॉडी को एक पनिशमेंट के जैसे फोर्सफुली, probably at a speed of 10, you're just trying to run or jog for another 40-45 minutes when your body literally has no strength to do that. Again, I'm going to give you a quick fix to that. पहले हमेशा strength training session से शुरू करो. After that, you can definitely add 20 to 30 minutes of a steady state cardio. Not an hour of punishment on the treadmill every day after lifting the weights. And our last and fifth mistake, and this is one of the most honest things I'm going to say today, is expecting results within 4 weeks and quitting when you don't see that happening. Here's the reality that social media doesn't show you, that actual results can take up to 3 months for it to be visible. The real body composition, where actually people start noticing a lot of muscle definition, can take up to 6 months to 1 year of time. But होता क्या है, we are so impatient कि as soon as it's 6 to 8 weeks, we start doubting ourselves and then we think of quitting just before you are going to actually see the results happening. I don't want you to be that person. मैं चाहती हूँ तुम वहाँ तक पहुँचो जहाँ पे वो results दिखने शुरू हो जाएं. The fix? Change your timeline. 4 हफ्ते नहीं, 4 महीने रखो. Don't obsess how you're looking into the mirror every day. Take a picture once a week, go on the scale once a week, see how your energy feels, see how your clothes fit. All these things will actually give you a signal of how your progress is happening. Not just the weighing scale, not just the mirror. And these are the 5 mistakes that I made for years and years. I wish someone would have told me to stop. Changing my programs every now and then, not tracking my weights, ego lifting, too much cardio, and expecting results too soon. All you need is consistency, you need progression, and you need to give your body enough time for all the change to happen. That's it. That's the whole game. अगर ये आपको helpful लगा, like करो, share करो, and subscribe to my channel for more honest fitness content. No fluff. See you in the next one. Bye.